of a new system that LaVivid have very kindly sent me, and I'm going to explain it all to you and see what you think. It's new from LaVivid. It is a mono-based system, and as you can see, it has that PU parameter, and that is reinforced, so it makes it stronger. And you also have them PU triangles in the lace front at the front, which again gives it a bit more strength. This is Indian Remy hair, and it is in body wave and 110% density. They cut the base to the right size, and they also cut the hair to the style you want. Like, how much easier is that than having to get a stylist to do it for you? You can literally have them do it. So you can see that it's very natural density. So here's the base. As you can see, they have had to cut it to the right shape for me, for my patch. So this is the hairline. As you can see, lace front to me is just such a natural hairline. It just looks so good.